So in my previous video or in the last videos, we have been discussing Google Sheets and their premium features and different functions. So in the same sequence of the Google Sheet, I'll discuss some new function and scenario. So myself KK Singh, and I'm Google certified trainer and GHG leader Agra. So in my video, present video, I'm going to take up uh, the new function, that is data validation. So let's move to our Google Sheet. Here, I'll show you how to apply data validation. So see here, this is my Google Sheet. Here, I'm going to collect some names. But before names, some celebrations are required, like Mr., Miss, Kumari, Mrs., and so on. So if you leave this on the people, you simply write your salutation yourself. So somebody will write Mr., Mr. in a small, some will write in capital. So they should not commit the mistake. We should give a predefined list to the people. So they should not commit the mistake. We will create the salutation list using the data validation, so that they don't have to write the words like in capital MR, in a small mr, one capital, one is small, so that the symmetry is maintained. Okay, so how to create the salutation or validation for this? Just have a look on this. So I'm going to create data validation, add a rule. I'm giving, say, Mr., give some color like this, Mrs. Here I'm going to give color, add, you can add more. I say Miss, I'll give different color, say this, say Kumari, and this. So these are the normal celebrations, and simply I'll click on done. Okay, so when you come to this place, it will show you Mr. I say Ram Kumar, email address, say Ram Kumar at gmail.com. Come to this place, Mita Sethi, Mita Sethi at gmail.com, and so on. So this way, the people don't have to write the salutation. They have to select one salutation from the drop down. Say like this. At gmail.com. So this way, we can create the drop down, so that people should not commit some mistakes while writing their celebrations. Now another example. Here I'll use Vlookup along with the data validation. What I want to create a drop down list of the names of the students. So just have a look on this. This is a sheet. Here, this is a sheet where the first column is names and other columns are having marks. So I'm going to create a list of the students here. For that, I'll have to go to data sheet, data tab, and from here, I'll apply data validation, add rule, as I told you in the last example. And this time, in place of drop down, I'll take drop down from the range. So, what is the range? It is asking the range. So, this is the range. Say, okay, now see here, this is the range. So, this is the drop down list. So, we will not commit any mistake, or somebody whosoever is using this list, he or she does not have to commit the mistake, or does not have to write directly. Or she has to select the data from this drop down like this. Okay, and on the basis of this selection, we can fetch the data. Means if I select this name, like, I'm sorry, if I select name like this, so as soon as I select this name, is English marks, max marks, fixed marks should appear in corresponding columns. Okay, I'm taking chemistry also. Okay, so how to bring the marks? Again, use VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. And what do you want to search? I want to search this key, comma, range. So what is the range? My range is from here to here, and make it fixed, freeze it, and then what do you want to search? What is the index? So index relative to this name, the index of English is 1. I'm sorry, 2. So I'll give 2 here, comma, is sorted false. Press enter key. So see here, 55 are here. Then simply copy. I'll freeze this also, and copy it. Okay, I'll have to change a bit. I can use columns. I can use columns, columns. So this is physics, means 4, and next one is 5, 5 here, like this. And if I select another student, see here, say C, got me 63, 23, 35, 20, 20 in chemistry. this way. Okay, so this is the data validation. On the basis of this data validation, I would like to draw some chart also. So this is automatically create the chart. If you select, enter the chart. Okay, so if you change some name, like name, I am going to change, I'm going to take this student. So this is her chart. So this way, the data validation is applied, and I think this looks good. If you want to find out the marks on the basis of the menu driven and related chart of the marks, so it gives the immense pleasure to depict this kind of output. So I hope you understood the concept of lookup again and data validation and inserting the chart in the Google Sheet. So there are many methods to do this, and and this is one of them. How to insert the chart, how to uh, fetch the data, and how to use ISNA, how to use VLOOKUP. So this way we can create a data analysis report on the basis of the marks, on the basis of the data available. You can change the type of the graph also. So with the new concept and new functions, we'll meet in the next video, and we'll explain. And if you like this, kindly uh, drop a comment in the comment box whether you like or not, or any improvisation is required. I'll do accordingly. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.